Hi guys, this is Anjana here. I have come to talk to you about books. I read 4 books in it, like incredible books, 4 incredible books. So I thought I would review one of them. And the book is The Cock is the Culprit by Unni R. Look at the cover, it's so beautiful, right? Just look at the cover. Yeah, and it's in hardbound, which I have a special place in my heart for hardbound books. So Unni R is a Malayalam writer, and he primarily writes short stories, and he also writes scripts and stories for movies. And a lot of you would have seen Charlie, the Dulquer Salmaan movie. So Unni R is responsible for the story and screenplay of that wonderful, quirky, delightful movie. So you will have an idea what kind of author he is. He is somebody who uses words to conjure up the most lovely images. You know, he enchants the reader. Yeah, the images that he builds up are something that you would never think about, but it fits in so well to what he is writing, you know. So, The Cock is the Culprit is the translation of his Malayalam book, Pradeep Puvankori. It has been translated by J. Devika, who is again one of my favorite translators. She has translated most of the books of K.R. Meera, most of, if not all the books of K.R. Meera, and she has done an amazing job with that. So, 2 ticks for me, Unni R and J. Devika, so I had to read this book. It's a satire, if I could call it that. The canvas is life in a village in Kerala, ordinary life. You know, there is Kochukuttan, an unemployed youth who is waiting to go to the Gulf and get a job there. Then there is Chaka, you know, it's his nickname. So Chaka is the influential guy in town. Then there are religious leaders, and then there are common people, and you know, all a sprinkling of people, sprinkling of characters. And among all this comes this rooster, Naniamma's rooster. And Naniamma's rooster decides to crow at the most inopportune times. You know, when the national anthem is being sung in the school, when there's a meeting for martyrs, so many different places in religious gatherings, everybody starts hearing this rooster. And so the public opinion is whipped up, and a whole different narrative of anti-nationalism is brought in, and the rooster is the culprit. So later, you know, we actually see a completely different narrative and scenario being built up around this rooster. And Kochukuttan is the only person who feels that he can see what is actually happening, and he tries to resist it, and he tries to protest. Kochukuttan, I feel, is all of us standing and wondering what the hell is happening in our country today. So Kochukuttan is standing aside and seeing a completely different kind of scenario being built up, being created. And he wonders whether he is the only person who can see what is happening. And in the end, he lands. I mean, I don't want to talk about it. I want you to read the book. It is a slim tome. It is a beautiful reflection of what's happening around us today. See, Unni doesn't talk about each issue. He doesn't talk about fake news. He doesn't mention fake news. He doesn't mention casteism. He doesn't mention anti-nationalism. Nothing is mentioned. But every single incident makes you think. There are so many beautiful layers. You know, there's one particular incident which happens, and then you realize, okay, the seeds of this had been sowed long back, so let me go and just look at that again. And you see how beautifully this novel is constructed by the author. There are so many layers. I mean, if you look at it, you'll think, okay, it's an easy read, I can just finish it quickly. You can, but you won't, because each incident that you read about will make you actually sit and think, will make you wonder, will make you think about what is happening all around us. So that is, I think, is the beauty of the narrative and beauty of what the author has created. He will make the reader think. And like I said, the language is really delightful and quirky, and it's a beautiful satire, and I loved it. So The Cock is the Culprit. So yeah, in Malayalam it is Pradeep Puvankori, and Puvankori is actually rooster. And when I saw this title of Cock is the Culprit, I was wondering why didn't they use the word rooster. And there is a lovely translator's note at the end of the book by Devika, and in which she has mentioned why she has chosen this particular word of cock. It's like you feel that, yeah, I mean, you cannot use any other word other than this for the title. So Cock is the Culprit by Unni R is seemingly a very simple read, but it is a beautiful read. especially in the current scenario, and I think you should read it. So Pradeep Kovankuri is the Malayalam version or Malayalam original of this, and this is The Cock is the Culprit by Unniyar, a brilliant writer, and I hope we get to see more of his translations. I will be going back and reading the original in Malayalam, because now I really want to read it and see what the author has, I mean the words that the author has actually used. So guys, go to the nearest bookstore, buy this Cock is the Culprit by Unniyar, because I think we should all read it. So guys, have a great time, have a fantastic weekend, do lots of reading. You guys have to read, there is no other go, you have to read. So go get a book and read it this weekend. I'll be back next week with more books. Bye.